How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and I want to go over how we can directly help you with your home repair and maintenance items. We have over 250 videos on this YouTube channel focused on that new homeowner and a new DIYer. So we like to present the information to that level. Sometimes it might seem a little drawn out, but it's just because we don't want to leave anybody behind and we want to bring everybody through those projects successfully. But outside the YouTube channel, we have a blog with over 100 articles. A lot of those articles are pretty much matched up to our videos, but that will continue to grow and expand well beyond our videos as we go through 2022 and beyond. When you go on the blog, you can click on the magnifying glass and just do a quick search. So if you're looking for an article on closet shelves, you can type that in and you'll see if we have any blog articles out there which would help you with that project. So that's kind of the best way to navigate directly from everydayhomerepairs.com. Now, moving on past the blog, we also have a Facebook group that some of you are in. There's over 111,000 members in that group. A very active group, a lot of conversation going on. You can post your question, your specific question on your home repair or maintenance item or something that's kind of confusing you and you don't have experience with. Now you're going to get a lot of feedback really quick, kind of a spectrum of feedback, right? Some not so useful, some extremely useful. So you got to filter through that a bit to make a smart decision on your specific item. And then also we have the Everyday Home Repairs Facebook page. That has kind of condensed down videos, usually 2, 3, 4 minutes, based off of some of the YouTube content. So it's a little bit more digestible. You can go through that quickly if those projects are aligning to something that you want to do. And then finally, we do have an email list if you want to get our newsletter and updates. The newsletter usually condenses down our most popular videos from the past month, our most popular blog articles from the last month, my favorite new tool. So something I've purchased that I had missed before, and it's been a great addition to my tool belt or my overall kit that I have in my truck. And then we do a little infographic based off the polls we do online, such as where are you guys going to get your paint? So you can see what the community's saying, again, to make you a more educated buyer and a more educated homeowner. So you can look below this video, you'll see links to everything we're talking about, including how to join that email list if you want to. Now, everything we talked about there is free and will continue to be free, but we do have a few new opportunities for you to help the channel so we can continue to grow and kind of expand past a one-man band, which is what it's been so far. Now we have a Patreon, which if you're not familiar with Patreon, it's kind of your way to directly invest in what you want to see more of. You can help support creators of all type, whether that's comedians out there, musicians, or people like myself that are putting out DIY content on YouTube. Your direct support helps that creator or team of creators. We all have to put food on the table, so getting patrons through Patreon really helps myself and others focus full time on this so we can help more people. We can put out more videos, we can put out more blog articles, we can get moderators for the Facebook group, and we can continue to grow in the amount of content and quality of the content that we're putting online. Now, for Everyday Home Repairs, we just have 2 levels right now. The first level is called Keep Doing What You're Doing, and it's just a little thank you that you're providing to the channel, again, to help sustain it and help grow it, because I'm really excited about the future and every little bit does count. And then the higher level is just $5 per month, but that opens you up not only to the Patreon only content, which gives you a little bit more behind the scenes to YouTube and the blog, also on my rental properties, and I'm doing a little bit more on Airbnb. So what are those projects? What are you doing? And specifically some of the financials behind that. How much am I investing? How much am I making? That will all be shared in both levels that we have within Patreon. But then the higher level, the real community member, will get access to Discord. Discord is a chat feature, so it'd be a direct line of communication to me and then also the members within there. Maybe you're looking to do a rehab project, looking to get into rental properties or even online business, and you want a little more conversation. That is a great way to engage so we can directly communicate back and forth and help you along, whether it's your home or business or project that you're doing. Now, for the first 10 members that make it to that community member level, I'm going to schedule half an hour calls with you. So if you want to talk about specifically your home project, or again, online business or rental properties or Airbnb, really anything that I feel like I have some experience with, I'd be happy to sit down with you guys, jump on a Zoom call and give you as much value as I possibly can. And lastly, we actually did open a Teespring store. This is just our start. We're not going to do a lot of merch over time, but I've been playing with, I always say, capital D, capital I, capital Y, lowercase er, DIYer. That's what I call the community. If you're a DIYer taking on this project and so on. But a little play on that word is capital D, capital I, wire, right? Connected to all the electrical content that we put out, and has a little piece of Romex that kind of circles around the DIYer. So we have some t-shirts out there, some stickers, some coffee tumblers, etc. So down in the description, you'll see the link, again, to everything we talked about here, but also that Patreon and Teespring store. So that is how we can help you, whether it's all that free content that we have out there and will continue to grow, or you jump on Patreon, which is awesome and greatly appreciated, or just want to buy a t-shirt or a sticker. All that helps out a ton, and I'm excited to see where we can grow this with your help. So thanks for watching this video, and we're going to catch you on that next one. Take care.